The act of capturing the scope of an inventory can be an overwhelming task, both for the adjuster and the insured. Our contents service begins with digital photography and the separation of the contents, followed by an itemized, detailed inventory. The contents specialists at McMartin Wasick and Associates are trained to identify the unique characteristics of items which affect the current value and today's replacement cost. While inventorying, the content specialists acquire hundreds of digital photographs. These are used by the pricing specialists in the evaluation process. These photos are also available to the adjuster to document their claim files. While preparing an inventory, the building is divided into specific areas. These areas are tagged. The tag is used to mark the beginning and end of the inventory for each area and the library of photographs.
Operator, this will be the content inventory, file number CM11-27129-B. This will be the content inventory for room 24, lower living room. One two-piece furniture set. This is a 3-cushion couch and a 2-cushion love seat. This is upholstered with wood frame. This love seat measures 28 inches by...
While measurements are taken when they affect the value, more importantly, tags, labels, and other identification which define the item are recorded. This information will ensure an accurate assessment of its value. The inventory prepared by McMartin Wasick and Associates is remarkably different than that presented by an insured. Not only does our inventory provide for the proper scope and valuation, but it also allows for the rebuttals of inaccuracies presented by the insured or their representative. This prevents unnecessary disputes which can result in the loss of a valued customer.
204 pre-recorded VHS tapes.
One hardcover book, Disney's Pixar A Bug's Life. First at $7.19 from Borders. Pawpaw Chuck's Big Ideas in the Bible by Charles R. Swindoll. That's S-W-I-N-D-O-L-L.
Operator, this complete content inventory for room 24, lower living room. That also complete content inventory in this tape.
As a room is completed, photographs are taken to document the completed inventory. As an optional value-added service, our crew will also bag the inventory, providing a complete separation of building and contents. This not only aids in debris removal, but gives the insured confidence that all the items have been counted. Each bag is labeled to the corresponding room and sequentially numbered. As evidenced in these pre- and post-inventory photographs, McMartin Wasick and Associates will take all steps necessary to retain your customer through this value-added claim service. Not only does it control the scope, but it eliminates questions caused by an inaccurate scope and the problems associated with such a scope. The devastation in the area of origin brings significant challenges to the adjuster and insured. After photos are taken, the separation of the building, debris, and contents is necessary to ensure all contents buried in the debris are counted. This separation will allow for the uncovering of items which may otherwise be lost. This also controls the claim inflation which can be found in the room of origin.
15-inch hubcaps for an automobile. iPod style work light stand. This light stand measures 18 inches in height. Operator, please add one more. One 7.5 horse outboard boat motor. This is per insured.
In the area of origin, items can be nearly unrecognizable. By consulting with the insured, we are able to identify those items and prevent future disputes. Once the process of capturing the scope is complete, the inventory is transferred to our pricing specialists. Working closely with our adjusters, the inventory is evaluated, depreciated, and coverage limitations and exclusions are applied. Unlike other content firms, Our adjusters are licensed in all states requiring an adjuster's license to apply coverages and assess damages. Inventories are generated in a format which best suits your needs, and the insured receives a copy for their review and acceptance. With acceptance of a proof of loss and a replacement cost form, the full adjustment is complete. McMartin Wasick & Associates Value-Added Claim Service will not only control the scope of the loss, but will also help to retain your customer with an outstanding claims experience. Contact McMartin Wasick & Associates when evaluating your next contents claim.